There's also a minimal risk because your investment isn't affected by the ups and downs of the stock market. Are you tired of seeing your money sitting idle in your bank account? It's time you make that money work for you. And one simple way to do that is through a fixed deposit investment. Keep in mind this video is for educational purposes. So when you're ready to invest, be sure to do a deep research to align your investment with your financial goals and assess any risks involved. My name is September. This is the Great Tech House. Let's get into it. First of all, let's ask ourselves, what are fixed deposits? Fixed deposits are one of the easiest and the safest investment options for anyone looking for, a guaranteed returns without worrying about market fluctuations. A fixed deposit is pretty straightforward. You deposit a sum of money with a bank or a financial institution for a set of period, and in return you earn a fixed interest rate until the term ends. Think of it as savings plan that locks your money for a specific time. Unlike regular savings account, you won't be able to withdraw your funds until maturity, which is actually a good thing if you want to stay disciplined with your finances or your savings. So how does it work? First, you decide how much you want to invest and select a tenure which range from a few months to several years. The bank now offers you a fixed interest rate based on the duration of your deposit. Once your money is locked in, it starts earning interest until the maturity date. At the end of the period, you get your initial deposit plus the accumulated interest. Fixed deposit comes with several benefits. First, they offer guaranteed returns, which means you know exactly how much you earn at the end of the investment term. So let's say you are offered 15% interest of the invested money at the end of the tenure. You know the exact amount you will get in return actually. So what you do is you multiply the 15% by the invested amount. There's also a minimal risk because your investment isn't affected by the ups and downs of the stock market. And another advantage is that the interest rates are typically higher than those offered by, the regular savings account. And what I'm going to talk about, this is not an advert for Ghana Commercial Bank, but I would say making fixed deposits with their bank app is very easy. As I speak, the interest rate of Ghana Commercial Bank on fixed deposits for let's say 1,000 cedis to 10,000 cedis is around 5% for a month. And one thing is it actually changes while you increase the amount of deposit and the maturity time. In my subsequent video, I will actually deposit 1,000 cedis together so that we know how to use the app properly ourselves. Plus, the flexibility to choose your tenure allows you to tailor your investment to fit your financial goals. However, it is important to be aware of the downsides. One major concern is the limited liquidity. If you need money before the maturity date, you may face penalties or lose part of your interest. There's also inflation risk to consider. If inflation rises faster than your interest rate, the purchasing power of your returns could reduce. So let's say the dollar rate was around 16 cedis during your deposit, and after your tenure it jumps to 20 Ghana cedis, God forbid, you are going to receive 10,000 cedis at the end of your tenure, and the value of the money will reduce a bit. So let's say you wanted to buy a camera 3 months ago which was at 10,000 cedis. You might now be buying that same camera at 11,000 cedis due to inflation, meaning your purchasing power of your returns have decreased. And unlike other investment options such as the mutual funds, fixed deposit actually comes with fixed returns, meaning you won't benefit if the market rate goes up. Getting started with fixed deposit in Ghana is very simple. You can actually visit any bank and ask to open a fixed deposit account. Many banks also have digital platforms that allow you to set up and manage your investment from your phone. It's a good idea to compare interest rates from different banks to find the best deal before locking your money. If you are thinking of investing in fixed deposit, here are some of the tips to maximize your returns. One smart move is to stagger your deposit, which means splitting your investment across different tenures. This way you have access to funds at different times. And another tip is to invest your earnings when your fixed deposit matures. Letting your money compound over time can significantly boost your returns. And also keep an eye on the interest rate and consider switching banks if better options comes up. So like I said, I talked about Ghana Commercial Bank. Doesn't mean you have to be there forever. So the question is fixed deposit right for you? If you are someone who prefers low risk predictable investment, then I would say it's a yes. Fixed deposits are a fantastic way to grow your savings steadily. But if you are comfortable taking risks for potentially higher returns, you might want to explore other investment options like the mutual funds or stocks. At the end of the day, fixed deposits are a great tool for building financial stability. The key is to compare rates, choose the tenor, and stay disciplined with your investment plan. So if you have been thinking about putting your money to better use, why not give fixed deposit a try? It's a simple step toward a smarter money management. I'll release a step-by-step video on how to do this fixed deposit on commercial bank app on your phone, so you don't go out and go and join the queue in a bank. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. And if there's the need for me to do another video to explain, I'll do such. This is the Great Tech House. My name is Coco September, and I'm out.